Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. And today I want to show you this 2017 Toyota Highlander. This is an XLE package, so very nicely equipped. All-wheel drive. We just traded it in from its third owner. They've had it for the last 2 years, and just traded it in on a really nice Suburban that we had. Very pretty truck, of course, with the pearl white paint. Beautiful condition inside and out. Very minimal road rash, if any at all, on the front bumper here, as you can see. The paint and body are in great condition. Got one little small ding on the back door on this side, which we'll get around and show you here in a second. Nice set of matching tires on it all the way around. These are only a year old. Like I said, we've got the one little ding right there. A little scratch that's been touched up here above the fender. As you can see, both of the wheels on this side are in great shape, not curbed and jacked up. Rear bumper has a couple of little scratches that have been touched up on it. A little bit of wear from sliding stuff in and out of the back here, but not bad at all. So we get to the inside of it. And as you can see, your standard power windows and mirrors and locks here on the door. Power driver seat. Very minimal wear on this driver's seat right here. It's in really good shape. It does have the power sunroof in it. Of course, backup camera, Bluetooth. If it looks like it's flashing in the video, it's just the video. And of course, dual climate control for driver and passenger side there. 143,256 on the odometer. No lights, no engine lights, no TPMS, no warnings of any kind. Of course, you've got your power sources, USBs, auxiliaries, heated seats. Lots of comfortable interior space in it. And this has the built-in blinds on the back doors here. And these seats, they move to allow for more room for the third row back here. And of course, as you see, that slides up nice and easily for easy access to that third row. And this center cup holder folds down. And then of course it does have rear air. And these controls are here, as well as additional power sources. Power liftgate, which also moves by the remote, and I do have both key fobs for it. Alright, let's see if I can figure this out. So as you can see, that's adjustable, and then of course they fold down nice and easily. The middle row folds down too if you ever need that kind of cargo space, which I'm not doing that correctly right now. Here we go. Well, maybe I can't do that with one hand, but you get the idea. If you need a better detailed video of the seats folding down flat, I can be more than happy to get that for you. And then there's storage underneath of the floor there as well. But really nice, super clean. And we've got it right here for you at Holiday Motors. We're at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. As I said, this was a trade, so of course we do take trades, always top dollar for them. And we've got financing available, and we can help with shipping and delivery if needed as well. So give us a call today. You can reach me directly by phone, call, or text at 757-676-4444. And making an appointment to make sure that the vehicles and myself are available is always recommended. So give us a call today. Let us know how we can help. Looking forward to hearing from you, and appreciate you watching as always.